Unraveling the meaning of cash desk, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, cash desk. This is a term you might come across in various situations, especially when you are out shopping or in a store. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, cash desk, is made up of two words, cash and desk. Cash refers to money in the form of coins or notes, bills. Desk is a type of table, often used for working. When these two words come together, they create a term used to describe a place in a store or shop where transactions happen. It is the place where customers go to pay for their goods. The cash desk is an important area in any retail setting. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use this phrase. You can pay for your items at the cash desk over there. The queue at the cash desk is quite long. We might have to wait. They offer gift wrapping services at the cash desk. It's important to note that the term, cash desk, can be used interchangeably with checkout counter or cashier in some contexts, although they can have slightly different meanings. Understanding synonyms and related terms can help enhance your vocabulary. Here are some terms related to cash desk, checkout counter, the area in a store where you pay for your items. Cash register, the machine used to process transactions. Till, another word for the cash register or the drawer in a cash register where the money is kept. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope this explanation helps you understand the meaning of cash desk and how to use it in your daily conversations. Remember, building your vocabulary is a great step towards fluency, and we are here to help you on that journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.